Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing Ultramarine Linux 43, the GNOME Edition. Right off the bat, you get this nice welcome tour, but let's skip past that and look at the desktop. We are running GNOME 49 here, and it is incredibly clean. You can see me popping open the quick settings here. The dark mode toggle is right where you need it, and the system feels very responsive. Let's check the performance. I am opening the terminal and running htop. Even with the screen recorder running in the background, look at those resources. The memory usage is low, and the CPU isn't spiking. It is very optimized. Checking out the app grid, it comes with a solid selection of utilities without being bloated. Now, this is a highlight. Ultramarine comes with the Apps Extensions app pre-installed. You can see me here. I can toggle things like the app menu or the window list on and off instantly. You don't need to install GNOME tweaks just to do basic customization. It is all built in. The core apps are also the modern GNOME versions. Here's the Clocks app, looking sleek and following the system theme perfectly. But let's get to the specs. I'm going into Settings and down to the About section. Here's the truth. Ultramarine Linux 43. We are running GNOME 49. And if you look at the kernel, we are on 6.17. This is bleeding edge. And yes, under windowing system, you can see we are officially on Wayland. It is stable and it is the new standard. Moving through the settings, everything is standard GNOME goodness. You have full control over your display resolution and scaling. I also love the power mode integration. You can switch between performance and power saver right from the top bar menu. And of course, Nightlight is here. If you work late like I do, you can toggle this to save your eyes. The transition is smooth and it works out of the box. Finally, here's the installation process. So, is Ultramarine 43 the best way to use GNOME? I think it is. You get the bleeding edge tech of Fedora with the convenience of a system that is actually finished. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Linux reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.